Hello students, a very warm welcome to you all. Today we are going to discuss about rotation based on clockwise and also anticlockwise. Now clockwise rotation. In the starting stage 0 degree, there is no change original position. So x-axis just x and y-axis just y. So the position value is x and y only. Next one 90 degree clockwise. So this one is moving to here. And the x location is changed this position to here and y will become this location. So 90 degree clockwise, the position of x-axis is just y and y-axis is below the line, it is a minus x. Then 180 degree clockwise. This x is moving to here and y position is changing to bottom one. Now what's the value? So 180 degree, the position of x-axis is minus x, y-axis it's below the line, so again the minus y. Now 270 degree from the location. So again moving 90 degree from this location. Now this x is shifting to here and y is moving to this location. What is the position value? 270 degree clockwise. The position of x is minus y and the position of y axis is positive x. Then 360 degree rotation. So again shifting 90 degree from 270 location. And this x is shifting to here and y will become this location. So 360 degree, the position of x-axis is just x and y-axis the same y only. So from this relation, the value of 0 degree and 360 degree, there is no change in place value. 180 degree, the position no change, but just changing the sign value. In anticlockwise, the first 0 degree. So there is no change in position, both values x and y. Then anticlockwise 90 degree. The position of y is changing here. And so this x is changing this place. What is the values of x? It is minus y and the y will become x. Now 180 degree. So from this part we need to rotate 90 degree again. This y is moving to bottom and this x is moving to this place. 180 degree anticlockwise. Now what is the position? In x-axis will become minus x and y position is minus y. Next one. So from the original 270 degree position, it will become again 90 degree rotation. This y is moving to here and this x is moving to this place. So now what is x and y position? The position of x is positive y and the y axis is negative x. Now it's a complete circle, that means 360 degree. So from this part moving 90 degree. This y is moving to the original position and x is also moving to here. Now what is x and y locations? 360 degree anticlockwise, the position of x is just x and y is just y. So 0 degree and 360 degree, there is no change, both anticlockwise and clockwise. Thank you.